From Jan Swartz, president of Princess Cruises, is that the company has taken voluntary 60-day pause of global shipping operations. And this message came out of Santa Clarita, California, and that was March 12th of 2020. This is a proactive response to the unpredictable circumstances evolving from the global spread of the COVID-19. And in an abundance of caution, Princess Cruise Lines announced that it will voluntarily pause global operations of its 18 cruise ships for 2 months or 60 days, impacting voyages departing from March 12th through to May 10th. Princess Cruise Lines serves more than 50,000 guests daily, and they travel from 70 countries worldwide. So it's a diverse offering and also a diverse client base. With this in mind, a difficult business decision had to be made. But of course, Princess firmly believes that it is the right one and it is in alignment with the company's core values. The assurance is given that the long-standing and dedicated professionals at this company will make best use of this time, this break, this sabbatical, if you'd like to call it that, to prepare Princess Cruises' fleet of ships for a successful return to operation and to serve guests by delivering an exceptional vacation experience. For clients who are still sailing on their itineraries from the date of issue of this notice to about 5 days, the intention is that they will sail through to the end of their itinerary and the onward travel arrangements will not be disturbed or disrupted. Now, for those whose sailing would have extended beyond March 17th, it will be ended in convenient locations for the guests, and the operational requirements to get them safely home will be put into play. Now, if the future cruise credit option doesn't work out for you, you'll be able to go online and get a form. And of course, you can reach out to your travel providers. We are here standing ready to assist you. And there will be a form to complete that can be forwarded, and we will forward it for you to get this process started. The call times have been horrendous, 3-6 hours sometimes, simply because of the nature of what has been transpiring. So of course, it's another reason to reach out to your preferred travel provider and have us support you in this effort. We're not having you call in. We will use our channels to get this done and to help you. And of course, as you look forward to rebook your Princess sailing, we stand here ready and available to share the latest deals and offers so you can book with confidence and get ready for your next Princess vacation.